Hi everyone, it's Roy. I'm back here in the RK Treasure Center eBay room with another video on simple items that you can pick up at garage sales, thrift stores, flea markets that'll turn a profit and make you a little money. Little 25-50 cent items that you can turn around and increase the value and sell it on resell it and make some good profit. So first items, you know I like my eyeglasses case. First one I got is this Kate Spade eyeglass case, pink orange, beautiful on the inside, really good. There is a little tiny rub mark right there, but that's all right. I've already got it listed in my eBay store, and I think I listed it for $11.99 or best offer, even with that little scuff mark there, it'll sell. It's hardly noticeable, but I do describe it in my listing, so you'll be able to see it. But a Kate Spade, very nice, opens and closes just like it should. I paid 50 cents for it. Like I said, I'm gonna try to sell it for about $11.99. The other one I got was this Coach sunglass case. It's a nice broad thick one. Says Coach on the inside. Opens and closes as it should. Very good. And of course the old Calvin Klein design. Not old, but the old Calvin Klein design. Calvin Klein's been around for a while. Calvin Klein CK on the inside. Very popular color. When you pick up eyeglass or sunglass case to resell, you want to make sure that they're really good condition. If they do have any kind of condition areas and you're going to resell them, make sure you list the description and put in any flaws that it has. They still will sell. Another item I picked up, I paid $2. Well, there's 3 items, but I'll describe each one. I paid $2 for is this Ashton cigar ashtray. Very clean, good condition, doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Tobacco products, cigars especially, are very, very popular. Comps on this one, when I looked it up, was selling between kind of a mixed range, but $29 to $40. Some of them, if they're higher, it was free shipping. Some of them, they were a little lower, they were charging the shipping. So $39 is a good price to ask for something like this. It's an advertising logo. Ashton is from the Fuentes production in Dominican Republic, and it's very popular. So this little $2 find right here will give me about $40. Another item to look at, I got 2 different styles and I'll show it to you. This one is actually a mid-century, probably about 1970s dark amber glass cigar ashtray. Again, you can see the big wide grooves in it. It's got a little bit of scuff marks, very light scuff marks on the bottom of it. Very good condition. Again, paid $2 for it. This one probably would get me about $20 to $25. I have this other one. Let me set this down. I've got this other one. It's a dark amber, but this one's the cigarette one. It can hold cigars because, you know, they keep it wider with a distance right here, so it can be cigarette ashtray. Primarily a cigarette ashtray. Again, dark amber, very nice in color. Really good. One of these, oh, maybe it was this one. Well, let me look and see. Yeah, on the cigar one, if you can see it, there's a little chip right there, so that does hurt the value of it, about it a little bit. But I put it in when I listed it on eBay. I described it, took a picture of it, and showed it in the listing. Still gonna make the money. This one here, no, very good condition, no flaws, maybe a little bit of scuffing. Again, it's where it sits, so it's right there, so it sits on a table or platform. But these are standard sizes. If you've ever seen those old vintage ashtrays that stand. They're come in the stands that stand up. These are standard size. Usually fits right in there without a problem. So if you find an old stand and it's missing an ashtray, and you come across one of these, you put it together, light it, the price will increase quite a bit. Another item I picked up, I got this glass pear, and I don't know if you can see it, but when you look straight onto it, it looks the leaf on this pear looks clear. As it turns, and again, I don't know how well you're seeing it in the camera, but as it turns, it's got a green tint, giving that nice green leafy look to it. It's kind of unique. It's primarily prominent red. It's got blue. It's a real nice clear glass. Not popular, not a name brand, not Murano. Just a nice glass, heavy. I weighed it. It was just a hair over 2 pounds. Paperweight, but pears and fruit, different things are in glass is very popular. So I paid, like I said, I paid 50 cents for it, maybe 60, 75 cents for it, and sell it for $15, $20. I don't remember what I listed it at, but I think I listed it at close to about $15 with the shipping. You know, maybe I even take $10 with the shipping, because it only cost me 60 cents, and as long as I charge the shipping, then it's good. It'll be a good deal. And these things do sell. I looked up the comps. No problem in selling them. Another item that I picked up that I got, which I thought real nice, and I won't take it completely out of the box, but is this bicycle generator set. It's 12 volts, 6 watts. It's Sears and Roebuck. I'll open it up and show it to you. This is the original box. I'll show you, just kind of show it to you this way, and I'll put a picture of it that I displayed on my listing. And it comes with everything. I pulled it all out, took pictures of it. It's has all the parts and everything. It comes with the main light and a light bulb inside, plus a spare bulb. It comes with a nice tail light. It comes with the brackets to hold it, the wiring. I mean, it's just and the generator that you put on the tire that generates the electricity. I mean, it's a complete set. It was a good find. Comps on this, general $30-$40 plus the shipping. Another good find, another good buy. See the pictures on it. It has the old 1970s style right there. So very good find. I think I paid $1 for it. I might have paid $2, but I think I paid $1 for it. Good find, good find. Another simple little item, if you can find them at garage sales, thrift stores, flea markets, all those places, are board games. This one's called Quelf. I hadn't heard it before. It says the Unpredictable Party Game. It's an adult game, 3 to 8 players. This is adult 12 and older, but it's still sealed in the package. The cellophane on this has a little slight tear. I put that in the listing. Again, when you list stuff, make sure that any flaws it has, don't be afraid to put it down. It's not going to diminish anything from the sales price, and the buyer, when they buy it, they know what it is, they see it, take pictures of it, take pictures of any flaws, because you don't want to get a return or something in the mail that says item was not described. So that's why it's getting returned. And eBay will, I'm gonna tell you what, you send it out and they say it's item not as described, and pretty much they can prove it, they're gonna get their money back on it, and then you may get an item that was returned to you and the cellophane's off of it. So now you can't have it listed as new with the cellophane or with the plastic coating and everything. So Another good item. Comps on this was 25 to $35. Average. I think the average that I saw was 25, 27. Plus shipping. Some of them were a little higher with shipping included. So another good find, another good thing to get. This last item I want to talk about that I got while I was out is a puzzle collection. It's a farm collection. It's actually 4 500-piece puzzles, and did I say that right? 4 puzzles, 500 pieces in each puzzle. So that's a good collection. People that do puzzles like to buy collections of things that they can put together, give as gifts, put in picture frames. I mean, look at those pictures. Wouldn't those be pretty in a picture frame? Anyway, this is more of a simple little find that you can come across. Comps on this was not very high. I think I paid $1.50 for it. So I saw them at like $14, so that's pretty good. But I did see some that were $12, again $14, free shipping. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, this thing, good, probably £1.5 to 2 pounds. You subtract the shipping, you're not making any money on this. But I did see some that were going for $19.95 free shipping. So I'm gonna start it off at somewhere around that range, because like I said, I paid $1.50 for it. I'm gonna start it off at about probably around $19.95 free shipping, maybe $14.95 and charge the shipping. But good little buys if you can find puzzles. People love puzzles, especially when they're in the box. It's sealed. So those are just a couple of quick items, simple items that you can find. Let's see, out of all these, I paid, let's see, the ashtrays, I paid the glass ashtrays, I paid $1 a piece. This one I paid $1, $2, I don't know. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, between 10 and, I'm gonna say between $10 and $13 is what I spent for all that. And if I'm gonna get well over $100 return. This ashtray right here for around $40. The bicycle generator somewhere around $40. These two glass ashtrays somewhere around $20, $25. The board game, another $20-something. The puzzle, the glass cases, at about $9 to $11.99 a piece. I'm looking, like I said, almost at the $200 range, $150, $200 range, and that's before fees. But when I list, well, those are already listed. All that's listed except for the farm puzzle collection, which I'm going to list here shortly. But all those items right there, great for $10, $12, $13 to turn around and make $150, $200. Not bad. Like I said, that's not, take out the fees, I'm going to make well over $100. So good flip, good finds. So be on the lookout for that stuff, especially if they're new in the box, new old stock, new still sealed, complete. Doesn't have to be sealed, but complete items, good condition, good quality, type of, not everyday items like that, and you'll turn around and make some profit. So good luck. If you watch my channel, you'll see I come across a lot of things like that I turn around and flip and resell. I try to describe stuff, show you things that aren't everyday common find items, but stuff that you can find. These got the eyeglass case, sunglass cases, everyday items, the ashtrays, they can be found, the board games and puzzles, everyday find type items, the bicycle generator, the glass pair, you know, those, so you will find that stuff. Just keep an eye out, look for it. So anyway, like I said, if you watch my channel, thank you. Share this channel. I'm gonna keep on putting out some more videos. I thank you for all the subscribers that I've got so far, and all the viewers that are watching this. Thank you very much, and have a great day, and I'll catch you later on.